everyone. Today we're going to unbox our Osmo Mobile 3 combo. So we bought this one because they say it's perfect for vlogging because it has a stabilizer. So let's open it. So this is a product from DJI. See? Okay. So it's sealed. I just have to unseal it. So where do I open it? Okay. Here. So I think this is the carrier case. And okay. So the wires are here. There. Let me see what's this. Okay. So another cloth container, something. Okay. So here, this is the, let me see. Okay. So it comes with a stand. Just a short one for the table or something, or to the ground if you put it. So here. There. Okay. See, guys? And the last one. We're gonna open this. So I think the Osmo Mobile 3 is inside because it's kind of heavy though. So there, can you see it? It's a very nice and very durable case. So when we bought this, it comes with this already. It's like a combo. So there you go. So this is the Osmo Mobile 3. So you can connect your phone in here. So here it is, the Osmo Mobile 3. This is where you put your phone. It's very nice, guys. See, it's very durable. It has its controls on it. So this is the clicker for the camera and maybe the modes, and that's it.